how you doing? This is Laura London from lauralondonfitness.com, and today we're going to be doing a chair workout. You could do this workout with any chair you have in your house. Do you like my chair? Actually, this is from the Salvation Army. This is one of my finds. I love this. I'm going to show you, actually I used it in a photo shoot, so you can see that picture. All right, we're going to do 5 exercises. They're for our lower body, and we're going to do them 20 times each. All right, you know you have to warm up, so go. If you haven't, stop the video, warm up for 5 minutes, and here we're going to start. All right, we're going to be doing windmills, and this is great for the legs and warming up the body. I'm going to show it to you. We're going to cross our leg in front of the body, holding onto the chair and bringing it up and back for 20, all right? Get a good grasp on that chair. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, swing it. 4, 5, 6, excellent. 7, keeping those abs in nice and tight. 9, 10, you're going to feel it right here on the side. 11, 12, 13, keep it going, come on. 14, swing it. 15, 16, 17, 18, yes, 19, and 20. You know we got 2 sides, so let's go to other side. Here we go for 20. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5, can you feel those hips warming up? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep it nice and tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, almost there, come on. 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, good, kind of loosen up those hips. Now we're going to do a little ballet move. We're going to go into second position, which is having our feet a little bit toes pointed out. Always tall, nice and tall. We're going to come up on our tippy toes, and we're going all the way down. You got it, and all the way back up. Staying on those tippy toes the whole time. All right, 20. Let's do it. Come on. 1, 2, keeping those abs in. I always like to hold my abs to feel them. 3, 4, if you can't go all the way down. 5, that's okay. Just go down a little. If this works for you, that's fun. 7, I've been doing this for a while, so I can go pretty low. 8, are you keeping on your tippy toes? 9, because we're working our calves also. 10, 11, 12, 13, oh, feeling them? I am. 14, 15, right here in the quad. 16, 17, come on. 18, feel it. 19, last one. 20, you got it. All right. For this one, I'm going to go sideways so you can see me. We're going to be lifting up our knee and giving it a nice kick. We want that squeeze right here in our glutes, that glute hamstring tie-in, okay? So here we go. Lift that knee up, and you know we have 2 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is a great little workout. 7 that you can do. 8, and fit it in. 9, 10, 11, 12, really feel that squeeze. 13, 14, feeling it. 15, 16, 17, come on. 18, don't put that leg down. 19, 20, let's go to the other side. 20, 1, 2, let's keep it there for a minute. 3, feel it. 4, always make that mind-muscle connection. 5, 6, 7, keeping those abs in. 8, 9, 10, nice posture. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, come on. 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20. All right, you're doing a great job. Whew, I don't usually work out with my hair down. It's hot with these lights. All right, we're gonna work the sides of our hips. I tend to gain weight here in my saddlebag area, so I like to work out the side of my hips a lot. And we're just gonna stand nice and tall, lifting up to the side and down, okay? The foot's not coming back down. We're just gonna keep it going. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and try to lead with your hip. 4, don't throw your leg out. 5, 6, all the work is coming from right here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, come on in closer, cameraman. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, come on. 17, lift it up. 18, 19, know what we're gonna do, keep it here. 10 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! All right, I'm gonna flip my chair so we can do it this way. All right, 20 on this side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. This is our 4th exercise. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 11. You already worked the other side. 12. So this side's a little tired already. 13, 14, 15. Yes. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep it here, girls. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Lean back a little. You worked it. Give it a nice stretch. Good job. All right. Our last exercise. If you need to, because this is a balance, hold on to a wall, hold on to a counter. I've been doing this for a while, so hopefully I won't tip over. This is called over the chair rainbows. All right, here we go. Watch this. I'm gonna do one first. We're going over that chair. If you can't make it over, then do a little circle. Do the best that you can do for you. All right, here we go. We're going 1, 2, that's it. 3, 4, 5, oh, I hit the chair. 6, 7, 8, you're gonna be working your abs. 9, 10, 11, 12, come on. 13, 14, 15, 16, come on. 17, I know. 18, 19, 20. So just want to just lift that leg over. All right, last 20. You ready? You can do this. Don't give up. We're almost done. Here we go. Woo, this side is harder. 1, 2. Maybe I should hold the wall. 3, 4, 5. Oop, I hit the chair again. 6, 7, 8. And remember, you just need to do 9, 10. That's okay too. 11, 12, 13, 14. It's almost like, whew, 15, a chop in karate. 16, or boxing. 17, 18, 19. Now you see why all my furniture has dents in it. 20. All right, that's it. Those are 5 chair exercises for the lower body. But you want to know something? No excuses. This is the same height as your kitchen counter. This is the same height as your bathroom counter. You can do all those exercises. You're brushing your teeth. You can do some kickbacks. You can do a plie squat and brush your teeth. No excuses to get it in. So go, do it now. You know, you can do it 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times, depending on what you want to do and what time you have to get it done in. All right, everybody, I'm out of breath. It's hot in here. All right, go visit me at lauralondonfitness.com. Like this video, and if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys back again soon.